Alright guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the KY912 mini drone. And it's another one of these oddball looking things. So, let's get it out of the box. So, out of the box you get this nice little case, which, you know, it's nice that they give you a case, okay? So, inside the case you got the drone. It's one of them ones where it's built into the controller. Take the drone out. It's got obstacle avoidance, by the way. And so, there's the drone. And it supposedly has a camera, right? So we're going to look at that real quick. Here's the controller. So yeah, it just has your normal stuff on there. Power. It's got your trim buttons over here, right here. Your rates here. Your flips over here. And your takeoff and land right here. Yeah, so nothing too complicated. Take a look at the app real fast. There's the app right there. It's going to be called KYFPV. Hence the name KY912, okay? So that's what that's going to be like. So what we're going to do here is we'll just start it up. So it looks like it has solid core motors in there. So actually it might fly pretty decently. Okay, because that's what we're hoping, right? There's the lights. Okay, so it bound automatically. I didn't have to. The level calibration is down and out. Okay, let's just take it off in the house here for a second, see how it acts. Okay, so it only has 2 speeds. Alright, so yeah. Seems decent. It flips and all that, but I'm not going to do that in here. I don't know about this obstacle avoidance. Maybe I have to have the app on. Yeah. To turn that on, because I put my hand up there and it didn't do anything. So, we don't know about the obstacle avoidance, okay? Where's that land button? Okay, I found it. Let's land it up. Come on. Okay, so yeah, that obstacle avoidance didn't do anything, but maybe you have to turn it on in the app, you know. Alright guys, let's go fly it. We'll test the video once we get outside. Alright guys, we're out here with the KY912. And it's in this little package. So what we're going to do is we're going to fly it around. But I'm going to tell you right now that the obstacle avoidance thing on here does not work. So they already had this out and flying it, but the video was kind of corrupted. So I did, the video from the GoPro was corrupted, not the video from here. I'm going to shoot the video. I'm going to put a little piece of video that it did in there. But when the video was running, it flew like crap. The Wi-Fi really tormented this thing, right? Alright, so we're going to fly it without the Wi-Fi on and just see how it flies with the, without the Wi-Fi. Blah, spit it out there, dummy. Okay, it's running. It's on, yay. There's the level calibration down and out. And I don't know if it has yeah, it has a takeoff. There it goes. Takeoff and land is right there. So it only has 2 speeds, but it says on there that it has 3. It's claiming 3. And oh, I remembered it was very slow. Yeah. Okay. So we'll fly it around for a little bit, but it's not very exciting. Okay. This is not going to blow your socks off. Because it's so slow, right? That obstacle avoidance doesn't work. I was out here messing around with it oh no, why is it? It did that to me the other day. That beeping. I don't know why it does that. It can't be that I charged the battery, of course. I don't know why it just starts randomly beeping like that. And what I did was I landed it, shut it off, and turned it back on, and it stopped doing it. So I don't know. This might be another one of these Temu turds. There it is, flying around again. Yeah, it's kind of a crapper. It's just so uninspiring, you know. It's very boring. I mean, for a kid or something in the backyard, it might be great stuff, but for me, not so much. But it does fly. I mean, it does seem to fly decently, but it's just so slow. You know, with them 2 speeds, I am not going to hit that flip button. I'm not touching any other buttons as long as, except this trim. Try to get it. Let me see here. Okay, so we got it pretty stable now. Whoop. What the heck was that? Oh, was that headless mode? It was something. Oh, okay, so now it's gonna start going fast. Okay, so there's another button down here that I guess really controls the speed. That's just the fake speed button. Down here is the real speed button, okay? So I have no idea what that's about. I thought that old quadcopters only had one rate button. I didn't know they had multiple rate buttons. So yeah, oh yeah, it flies great. Okay, so now it's a lot better. But I will tell you the camera wasn't that good. And I will put that little bit of footage in there that I grabbed from the last flight. I had to hurry up and stop it and turn it off because it flew so terribly with the Wi-Fi, with the camera running. It flew so bad that I had to just stop the presses there. So, but anyway, hey, this thing's flying great now. Okay, so now you know they got 2 rate buttons on this one, okay? Ooh, look how fast it is now. Yeah, great stuff. See, just like I just said in my previous video, every time you come out here to make one of these videos, something crazy always happens. Like you just find out something like this. Oh, it's got 2 rate buttons. Wow, okay, so there's one down there. And it just has a gyroscope on it. It doesn't say that it's for rates, but the button up there has a propeller on it. And it says 1, 2, 3. So you're just going to assume, right, that that's for the rates. This thing was bad, and now it's good. Now there might be the low battery warning, which it is, because the light's flashing in the front. The headlights are flashing, and yeah, the flight time is not good, guys. I'm telling you, that's not a good thing there, okay? So we're going to land it up again. But I am not happy. Oh, shut up. This is a little bit excessive warnings here, right? Don't you think? Good Lord. Call the doctor on that thing. All right, boys and girls. What the heck was the name of that thing? Let me get my notes out. The KY912. Okay. It can go back to Kentucky. Okay, so get out of here with this thing. Okay, so yeah, once you hit the fast speed and everything, but the battery life is, wow. I mean, I could have swore that was only like 4 minutes top. Battery's good, not swollen or nothing like that. I don't know if I'll even send this out. I'll probably put this one in the dumper. Yeah, okay, I got that on there all the way now. Okay, so that ain't gonna come off no more. All right, I've had enough. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.